everybody, I buy this, but I already opened it, so like it makes like a boom sound, but I don't like the pop sound. So this is the confetti.
Can you show?
This is the confetti, and like I got these things, so freaking cute. It's like a mermaid, and then I have some supply bags, and like, so we have the list right here. So we got the pirate. We got the pirate, so we're gonna check it. So we got Blanky Bunker, so it's a pirate. So it's not a mermaid. We're gonna open the blind bag first, okay? The first one is gonna be something like, this is a dress. It's so cute. And then the next one, a pair of shoes. These shoes are fancy. Look. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, next, we're gonna open this last one right here. It's gonna be like a blind bag or something. So we're gonna open it. Oh my god. A hat! Cute. So we're gonna open this. First. So this is the thing. We're gonna open now. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Please be a good one. Wanda. We're gonna open this in 3, 2, 1. She's flying! Oh! Wow! A genius! Look at that long hair. And the confetti like flew out, and then like I have to use a kind of like a vacuumer or something like, but I just want to keep the confetti, but make sure I don't want to keep it or something. So we got this girl, and then I don't know what this is, so we're gonna take it out. What's that? Don't know. It's NaNaNa Surprise. Becky Buckneer. Birthday is September 19. Yo ho, like party like for me. Invention 19th September. Yup, and away the family. So this is the we're gonna pull this out like that, and she like looks so cute. She comes with this hat, but it doesn't. But you cannot take it off. So like, this is her leg. Her leg is broken, so we have to like put it like this. So we're gonna put the instructions down now. Wait. It's so cute. The hat is so cute. We're gonna put the hat on. The hat is usually you can put it on like so hard, so then I'm gonna put the dress on first. Dun. Her hair looks so long. We're gonna put it on now. Sorry, skip the video. Skip, please. Almost smacked my ass. Ow! Now we're gonna put the hands on it. Gonna put the hands in there. Oh, damn, it's broken. It's quite hard to put. I don't know. We're gonna put it in. Like that.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it in the other hand. So hard to put. Gonna pull up the dress. And look at that underwear.
Yeah.
And gonna put it. It's hard to put the back or something.
It's okay. It's okay not to. No need to do it. Get good for her.
That's our high heels.
Okay.
Look at the long hair. Her hair it's like red. Her hair is red. And then, so we're gonna put the shoes on now. Okay, now I'm gonna put the hat. What does the hat mean? So I'm gonna go. It's quite Okay, this is what we got. So, this is what we have. But the hat is quite hard to put on, so we're gonna put it like this. Okay. And then okay, and then this is the Ziploc. This is the Ziploc for the baby birds. And I can put my stuff in there. Okay, bye-bye.